fact has come as a great shock to every single citizen of our state. Bariki was, of course, belonging to a particular political party, and he had won the elections with a thumping majority, but he was loved across party lines. And you can ask anybody, he was a person who would be talking to leaders across the region, across the dynamics of the politics in our state, and somebody who was very, very approachable and very, very acceptable by all. I think his greatest strength, apart from his commitment, apart from his deep knowledge, apart from his sincerity, was his simplicity and his humility. He was a good human being and a good person. I have had multiple occasions to speak to him, to spend time with him, and in every conversation that I had, his simplicity would stand out, and also his true commitment and passion and heart for the betterment of our people, for the betterment of the state as a whole, was what guided him during his political career. The one occasion I was mentioning earlier in the assembly, I was sharing with our august house that when he mentioned about a particular project or a work, he continued and followed it by saying that, "Sir, we should work together. Can we go together to meet the different ministers at the central government level so that we can all contribute towards the betterment of our society?" I think that one line speaks volumes about late Dr. Ricky Singh Khan's heart, his mind, his passion, commitment, sincerity towards the state and its people. I had few occasions, as I said, where I met him, but those few occasions deeply touched me and left a very, very strong mark in my mind and in my heart. We will all truly miss him, and I express my deepest condolences to the members of the bereaved family. I pray to Almighty that He may give them strength, and I pray to Almighty that His soul may rest in eternal peace.
So how do you see him as a person, sir, be it in the political field or even outside of political?
As I said, a simple human being, a humble human being, driven by passion and desire to serve the people. That is what he was, and in many occasions he has proven it, and anybody from any political circle will tell you that that's exactly what he was. And we all know that tomorrow is the funeral. As a state government, we have decided to declare a holiday in the 7 districts in the Khasi Jaintia region, so that we, number one, pay respect to the departed soul, and number two, so that we allow those who would wish to attend the funeral can also attend the funeral. As you are aware that tomorrow was the compensatory working day. We had given extra holiday during Christmas time, so we were making that up by having office tomorrow. But we have decided, as a mark of respect, to give holiday in the Khasi Jaintia region.